Sonai Japano through Nevis ni Vicente interview rui test rui borok thangna musonai borok ni bagai chung dakti no potrika rom Vicente chini website ni Vicente chung advertisement nai ke borok no ta botasing chini odai saka tasingo actually Japan ni kisu culture borok ni ongko tongo bosket borok ni ବ୍ୟବହାର borok ni tongmung chamung tongo actually ajagarok borok bokrok tolakai khulumung bokok samung nomro bodro omahiro kabang metar tung Japan samung tangna nei ke kok sangke sana ne abar ara chiriklai kok saya amti hero joton phang jangna aran borok phai phang phane Japan ni borok no so aba haike jara sanniman nai borok no borok select khana even tlangna ni sigang je tlangna ni phurman bumao pha soika hanga kai bumao pha itabli ni jare thanan bagai fit ni buma guardian buma pha sudo soi soka e aprusi borok tlangnai ke puilan chimini jara thangna mo changna ba phataro sudo Japania Germany angthon ni Korea angthon baro aran language sudo Japani aran language be phurunai borok thangnai eke puilan chimini prepare angai pheneri bagai abhaite dakti start khajanai chung advertisement khai kan through borone thake chung interview ba screening process khai dakti roharan bagi sati apnai hambai
thank you respective dignitaries of Ttaadc and my name is Ajay and I'm general manager for northeastern region and today it's a privilege for Nevis HR because on behalf of Nevis HR I'm representative entire northeastern region and today we have signed an agreement and MOU with Ttaadc regarding the student opportunity going abroad in Japan, Germany as well as Korea. The respective job description and the job profile is already mentioned and mentioned by our sir. So we will be highly pleased to have students from Agartala and Tripura as well. We have sent many candidates from northeastern region, all states. Barring Tripura was left out, but it's really humble, thankful and hearty congratulations to respective Maharaja as well. Because of him, because I met him during the airport also, he said that everything is done. You just have to go there and then the formalities will be done. Thank you for the kind and generous arrangement. And we are really dealing great opportunity for the career of student for the student of Ttaadc areas, and we look forward for a mutual consent and mutual agreement between all of us. And this opportunity will provide our student, those who want to dream and aspiration going abroad, and this is a platform where we can send students to different countries, from where we will definitely have a collaboration between more, and we are going to send more and more number of students henceforth. So it's a great achievement for Nevis HR because having a tied up with Ttaadc is really an opportunity for us and privilege to us, and we make sure and ensure that whatever number of students respectively will be selected, we have a selection process. So nearly about we are going to as many as we can. We are targeting 100,000 number of students to be screened, and then we will be selecting out of which the best 30 number of students, and based on that they are going to be privileged and taking the training there in Bangalore, and then henceforth they are going abroad in Japan and respective countries altogether. As the job profile is already mentioned, so we will be placing them as and when a requirement is there. So it's a initial start, and definitely there are milestones to go ahead, but definitely thanks to Maharaja and the government of Ttaadc. So thank you so much once again, and I really would like to thank you, the press representative as well. Thank you so much once again for covering this press meet, and hopefully the collaboration and MOU will benefits both of us, and then we take it ahead, and definitely we are really humble and thankful to Ttaadc. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much. Because we have as mentioned, there are a screening process. So first they will have to go through an aptitude test all the students has to appear for the aptitude test. Once they clear the aptitude test, they have to go to for a process called demo process. The native Japanese will be having an conversation with the students. They will show a demo. The student has to understand they have to understand about the script, they have to understand the demo. That's a demo. So once they can able to cop up and can able to respond to the demo, we will select for the third round, which is very crucial, based on the consent of the parents. Once the parents agrees that yes, I am ready to send them to Japan, so we will select those candidates, and based on that, this the timing and everything will be mentioned there and thereafter. So we have such process, and we will start as soon as possible. We are going to now, we already have done all the formalities, so we are going to mobilize as soon as possible.